In prime time news this evening, the ripple effects of COVID-19.
As of tomorrow, schools will be officially closed.
Government insists enough protective gear is in stock for healthcare workers. And
what are we going to use for hand washing?
Drought and COVID-19.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
We are sticking with COVID-19, Janella, and a customer with the virus forced the temporary closure of Scotiabank New Kingston. And I'll have more on that in the business day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Karen for what's coming up in sports. Karen.
Well, guess what? COVID-19 continues its domino effect on sports, and I'll tell you what are the latest events to be impacted in primetime sports later.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime, and as well as weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what's your reaction to the government's decision to close schools for 14 days?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.